In this session, we'll be seeing how bacteria are responsible for antibiotic production. The very time you're talking about antibiotics, anti means against, biotics means life. So there is something which is against the life. Remember, it is not against your life. It is against the life which is causing infection for your life. For your life, they are probiosis, they are probiotics. Probiotic means they are for your life. But the lives, those are causing the damages to your life, we'll be dealing with antibiotics. So for antibiotic production, there are many antibiotics which are formed from what you call bacteria, and most of the antibiotics are actually from bacteria and fungus. So we'll be seeing that what all bacteria are there to produce you what all antibiotics. You have bacitracin, one among the very famous antibiotics. You can see bacitracin out here even. So bacitracin has been produced by Bacillus subtilis. Aureomycin, it's been produced by Streptomyces species. Terramycin is again by some Streptomyces ramosus. You have streptomycin, it's again by Streptomyces griseus. So there are some antibiotics listed which are being produced by these bacteria. The questions will be asked like that particular antibiotics is prepared by which of the bacterial strain. You will have to name that particular bacteria. So some of the what you call Streptomyces is one of the genus of the bacteria which produces most of the antibiotics. In the next section, we'll be discussing about how bacteria are required for some other uses.